Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you withdraw your funds from Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to withdraw from Bitget, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening your Bitget you will get to see this option of assets. Tap to assets, and after going into assets you just simply have to select any of these options into the top. Just simply select spot for now and then tap to withdraw option, which you will get directly into this section. Tap into withdraw and select your network. I'm selecting Bitcoin for now, and then you can choose between on-chain withdrawal or international transfer. Just simply select any of the suitable option. I'm selecting on-chain withdrawal, and after that you have to enter your withdrawal address and withdrawal amount. Just simply enter those both details and tap to withdraw button, and your fund will be withdrawn successfully. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.